Hey there! Did you know that you can use the Progress Chef platform to manage remote nodes from a host system without agents installed? With the Chef solution in agentless mode, you can now execute Chef resources on remote systems without installing the Chef Infra client on them. An agentless configuration can help extend your DevOps value, since it's designed to be used on infrastructure where you may not have the ability to install an agent. With Chef, you gain complete control from a central system, so you have a single tool to manage your desired state of the agent-based and agentless targets. So how do you automate without an agent? You first establish a connection from a host system to the target node through the train protocol, using authentication parameters defined in the credential file. The credential file contains key information about all target nodes, like their IP address, username, password, SSH key, and node name. Once authenticated, you can execute the specific cookbook or recipe on the target node, enabling configuration or deployment of tasks as defined from a central hub, seamlessly and at your convenience. Chef with agentless automation can be run against many types of systems, such as AIX, FreeBSD, and Solaris, and on esoteric platforms like network management devices, routers, edge devices, controllers, and various cloud resources. With Chef, you now have the flexibility to choose between an agent-based or agentless approach based on your needs. Chef Infrastructure Automation, available in agentless mode starting with Chef 15 and up.